If you tell stories, you need coverage, but getting the right angles from AI usually means a ton of prompting. Watch this. I drop in one image and it gives me 9 cinematic shots instantly. Wide, over the shoulder, close up. Then I pick the best frame, upscale it, and I have a clean shot list in seconds. Let me show you the best way to use it. Shots is basically instant camera coverage. You give it one image, it generates a 3x3 contact sheet of 9 cinematic angles that stay consistent. In this video, I will show you the exact workflow and use cases for agencies and brands, animators, and video editors. When you're on the Higgsfield website, go to the Apps section and filter apps with Nano Banana. You will see Shots. Click it and you will land on this simple interface with 3 steps: upload, grid, upscale. First, let's look at its use cases for agencies and brands. If you have one clean product shot, Shots can turn it into a full set of variations instantly. Think listing images, ad creatives, and social posts without doing another shoot. Step 1, I upload a product image. I am starting with this simple sneaker photo. Great lighting, clean background, nothing fancy. After uploading, I choose the ratio and you get 9 angles for 4 credits, which is basically the cost of one standard 4K generation. Now it gives me 9 angles right away. This is the key. It is not random variations, it is coverage, different usable camera angles of the same product. Here is how I choose, based on where the images will be used. First, I need a clean hero image, something that reads instantly on a store page. Then I want a 3/4 angle or side angle that sells the shape and silhouette. Next, I want detail, laces, stitching, material texture. That increases trust. And I always want outsole and back view. Outsole sells build quality. Back view shows finishing. That is basically a complete e-commerce listing set from one photo. Now I upscale only the keepers. This is where they become production ready for listings, ads, and thumbnails. Look at this close-up. You get texture, stitching, and material detail. This is perfect for slide 2 or slide 3 in a product listing. And it's also a great hook image for an ad because it feels premium and tactile. And if you want video creatives, you can take any one of these upscaled frames into an image-to-video model and animate it. So for brands, this is instant creative coverage. One product shot becomes a full set of usable listing and ad variations in minutes. Same goes for model shoots. You can take your shooting image and generate new angles with the same clothing and character. This feature is a huge time saver as it requires 0 prompting. Now for animators and anime series creators. The hardest part is consistency. Same character design, same lighting, same mood, but different camera angles. That is exactly what Shots is good at. I am uploading this image as a starting point and watching what happens. It generates 9 angles that still feel like the same scene. Same expression language, same jacket details, same warm lamp mood, same wood texture. And I don't need all 9. I am building a scene pack, like instant storyboards. I pick a wide for location, a medium for performance, a close-up for emotion, plus one detail shot because anime lives on detail. Next, I upscale the keepers and download. These become clean keyframes. From here, I can take the keyframes into WAN 2.6 and generate short clips, so those storyboard panels turn into moving shots.
It's not about the drink. It's about what's left after. I've seen too many things burn out, and I'm not sure if I'll survive this one.
Now, last but not least, video editors. During an edit, you always need extra cutaways and B-roll angles to keep the pacing clean. Shots solves that by giving you coverage from a single frame. If you're using an iconic scene as a reference, this gives you fresh angles that still feel like the same moment. Just like that, I get a full contact sheet. The grid is my preview. Once I find the frame I like, I upscale it to 2x or 4x so it's crisp and ready. Now here's the magic. I take that upscaled frame into an image-to-video model and turn it into real B-roll. Now, these videos are ready to drop into your timeline as cutaways, inserts, and reaction beats, so your edit feels fuller without hunting for footage. And that's shots. 1 image in, 9 cinematic angles out. Pick your winners, upscale, and you're ready to storyboard, build listings, or generate B-roll. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. Also, Higgsfield has added GPT Image 1.5 and WAN 2.6, so you can generate your images and then push them into consistent video workflows. Go explore the latest image and video models inside their platform because they keep updating the lineup. If this helped, subscribe and comment what you're building so I can cover the best workflows for your use case.